This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to Commodore News for Friday, February 22nd. I'm Douglas Deutsch. The winter playoff season continues with two Maury teams in competition. On Wednesday, the boys basketball team cruised to a 64-41 win in the Region 5A quarterfinals. Clarence Rupert led the Commodores with 18 points, while Brian Phillips added 14 and Matt Minzia 13. Chase Coleman did most of his scoring early and quarterbacked the Commodores' offense throughout. Tomorrow, the Commodores take on Northview in the semifinals. The game begins at 7 and will be played at the Norfolk Scope. This is a pivotal game for the Commodores because they advance to states if they win and they go home if they lose. Today, several Maury runners will compete in the Class 5 State Indoor Track Championships. Races begin this morning and continue through Saturday. The girls' team has a strong shot at a state championship. Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's all for this broadcast of Commodore News. I'm Douglas Deutsch. Have a great weekend.
This has been a Commodore News Update.